Alrighty, I'm sure everybody's heard the news. The Buffalo Bills are dead. Their season has come to a crashing halt. But I just wanted to let everybody know at home, we are not dead. We are fine. We are alive. We're just very sad. We're sad that we can't make another food this week. We were really hoping. We had a lot of ideas planned for how this season would wrap out. But unfortunately, our quest to the Lombardi ends here. But we wanted to update you guys on the channel and what ideas we had going forward. We definitely got things lined up. We're not sure how we're going to be releasing this content, but we definitely still have content coming up. So stay tuned. These guys are going to tell you what we got going on.
14-4 ended on a snowy day in Buffalo versus Macaulay Culkin. It's okay. We are definitely going to keep coming at you with more content that is like our cookbook. So our recap of the season, everything that we cooked this season. Also going to keep coming at you with like fun Bills, Buds, and Brews stuff. So like one of the random things we have, Gray's like a crazy lamp maker, secret talent that he has. Be looking out for the Buffalo Bills lamp that we're about to drop. You're not going to get to have it. You're just going to get to see us. We might sell it to you. Probably not. Just going to get to see it.
We'll make at least one super cool one for us.
For us to have in the background. Also, we're coming to you live for the first time from the $10 million studio. We're here at Bills, Buds, and Brews studio.
Headquarters.
Downtown Davis, California. Tell us, like, what, I don't know what the hell Gray's going to talk about. What, Von Miller would have been in that game. We would have won that game. That's all else I have to say.
I missed. Here's things that aren't going to stop happening. Us making food, us making videos, and us liking the Bills. So we're going to keep going. Definitely going to do some stuff this summer. Definitely going to have some crazy ideas. We're going to try some weird stuff. Maybe change formats. Maybe change recipes. Who knows? We'll see. I hope you guys keep watching for whatever reason. Also, we'll have a cookbook. The cookbook should be amazing. Brandon's been working on that quite hard. We're going to have all of our recipes. And then lastly, we're going to do a video that has all of our ratings, maybe our worst meal. We're going to try and make it, again, in a better way or improve on it in some way. And maybe our favorite meal we're just going to make again to eat because it's exciting to eat. So, yeah, keep watching and go Bills.
Let's go Buffalo!